There you go.
Very good.
Now you can talk to Ethan.
Okay.
Here we go. Unfortunately, it's not snowing hard anymore.
Yeah, no.
Oh, somebody's plowing. Okay, this was not plowed 2 minutes ago. In fact, I thought nobody had touched the roads.
Okay, so here's the guy that wanted to shovel my driveway, and I told him no.
Okay, I
There
guess.
he is, the shoveler.
I guess we're gonna pull into the snowbank.
And we're pulling into the snow. And a van. Trying to back up.
Oh, minivan. They're bad drivers to start with.
Yeah, they are. Ooh, look at these roads.
That's what I'm telling you, they're not good. Well, you know Pennsylvania's motto. We don't drop the plow until the last snowflake has hit the ground. And we're off.
Ooh, I felt some slippage there.
Why is the ABS light on? It wasn't on a little while ago.
I don't know.
I'm not real confident with that. Did the ABS light remain on? It wasn't on a little while ago. Maybe you have to shut the car off and start it again.
What if it doesn't start?
I don't think ABS means your car's broken. I think it just means you have no brakes.
Yeah.
I think it actually means you have no anti-lock brakes on. That's pretty scary.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. My road has not been plowed yet at all.
No?
No. Somebody is asleep in the truck, I think. So it's just going to slow down and start all day, I guess.
I guess.
Well, if it just remains like this, then we shouldn't have any problems. I really don't like this ABS light, though. Something that an inspection wouldn't catch.
Well, look at that, DHL.
That's who delivers the packages from Beepin. I'll tell you what, these other people who insist on doing their driveways and the snowblower, if I see one more person aiming it
On the
at
road?
the road,
Yeah, I know.
there's a fine for that.
Is
A couple
there?
$100, yeah. Yeah. And it doesn't even specify if the road has been cleared yet or not. It just says no, you can't do it. Period, end of the story. I always wait till I'm right up on them and I lay on the horn.
Oh, look at these kids trying to ride bikes in the snow. Oh, look at this. How stupid.
What's our timing up to?
3 minutes.
Okay, we're good. And this is where the asshole came out that apparently felt that he could do 17 miles an hour. Why is this ABS light still on? I don't like it. Maybe it comes on to tell you it's engaged itself, but I don't think so. I think when you have anti-lock brakes, you just have them.
Yeah, I think it's just,
I think we don't have brakes. That's okay. I took personal accident, personal effects also. I took everything. And Bonnie was like, why'd you take all the coverage? I'm like, what are you, nuts? I am sure this will be frozen tonight.
Yeah, I think so. It's cold out.
It's 31, yeah. As we rock along.
This is where that guy plowed into me, right?
See, I keep thinking it was down in Nanticoke.
Oh.
Alright, stop and start. Well, just stop. Do you know how to stop it?